shed, actually. Well, maybe it's not that big, but... Huh. Haha. I know this deer. At least I think that's him. Oh, maybe not. Anyways. Nice looking antler. Wow. Yeah. I'll keep this interview fairly short as I can. It's really windy today, so I'm not going to say too much here, but found 3 sheds already, and I'm in a field here that I've been kind of meaning to get up to for a while just to check it out, and there's quite a bit of sign here actually, and I'm kind of wishing I would have been here a little bit earlier, but anyways, I got up in here and right away found a nice shed, and I think it's pretty nice.